Hi everyone, it's Debbie, and in this video I'm showing you how to make the famous Linzer cookies. Let's start with 2 sticks of room temperature butter. Cream it a bit and add a half a cup sugar to the bowl. Mix it until creamy. Add some vanilla extract, maybe like 1 teaspoon or so. Now take the 3 egg yolks and pour in one at a time while mixing. Take a half of a lemon and squeeze the juice in the mix. Grab the bowl with 3 1/4 cups of flour and add some of the flour to the dough, but maybe not all at once. Well, I should have done less than that. Oh well, it will take a bit to come together. Looks good! The rest we will do with our hands. But first, we need to chop the hazelnuts with my little ninja. Oh, before I forget, if you get value out of this video, do slam that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. That way you won't miss a thing. Back to chopping the hazelnuts. By the way, you can also use pecans, walnuts, or almonds in case you don't like hazelnuts. But the original recipe though calls for hazelnuts. Nicely done, little ninja. Very fine chopped hazelnuts. Perfect. Now we will use our fingers and mix it thoroughly together. Knead it and form it into a ball. There you go, easy peasy. This dough does not go into the fridge. We will use it right away. Take a rolling pin and roll the dough out. 1/8 of an inch is the thickness we need. The cookie cutters I use come in different sizes. I believe I got mine at Hobby Lobby, but Amazon has them as well, and they usually come in a set. As you see, I have a very small one here, which is being used to cut the holes for the top. That one came with the set. You can form the leftover dough into a ball and roll it out again to make more cookies. Bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes. Sprinkle the tops with powdered sugar. Spread raspberry jam on all the bottoms. Now there's only one thing left. Put the cookies together. And my work is done here. Thanks for watching and enjoy the cookies. See you next time.